also can run more. Were an Afghani Minister of Theft.
Preparation. To their matching counter access wire. Ensure the thumb turn is wire into door hole. Form self-check. Ensure the lithium battery door sensor cable outlet or antenna connector into the
Today I'll be installing this Lockin Veno palm vein recognition biometric lock purchased at Amazon during Prime Day. Let's see what it looks like. I have to hope my door is standard sizing such that the unboxing of this item. What is this? Strike plate installation. I won't have to install the strike plate. I'm hoping that the existing strike plate will fit. There's no guarantee of that. That comes with batteries. Here is interior. This thing is plastic all around. This thing is steel. And this is the hardware. This is a battery to charge that up. Set of 3. We've got these. Assume these go into the wall, maybe, for whatever reason, are the ones that fit on the interior. Okay, so here are the strike plates, magnetic. And the Lockly, this magnet was stupidly on the outside with a plastic thingy. So there, these at least, the door stop side. And here's the actual lock top marked right there. This is the Schlage encode file with the Apple system going out on us. Trade app, very limited. You choose up these batteries. We decided to get rid of this lock. It is all metal, like aluminum. The only good thing you can say about it. Expensive as hell, close to $300. So try to backup locks, brakes. Here's the low torque screws. Not much damage. Here's the interior. Amazing how a lot of these locks work the same way in the installation. Who invented the way first? But Schlage lock has a supreme build quality. Come out. Schlage Encode Plus. And this is the critical system of the Encode Plus coming out. The lock-in system going in. It says top. It's pretty good. It's perfect. Looks pretty centered. It's there. Use these. I need to torque. Okay. Good news. Maybe I'll be able to strike plate as is. May have to. So that stupid magnet's been now installed, and this is installed. Flimsy then. Lockly. There it is. This is. More shit, but yeah, these shitters, these hand do it first. Just thread it like I did the other one. Okay, so now it's grabbed. It's pretty close on the outside. Now, flimsy battery compartment. good. Pretty good. We're in 2 3/8. So now I've installed my thing. So I'm in. How intuitive is this? The hardware install is completed. Now, add device. Add device.
Please open the Lockin Smart app and add the Lockin Smart Lock. Start with account. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Code 6 to 10 digit. Bioinformatics. Okay. Hold your hand open, face palm towards the center, about 3 to 6 inches away.
Please hold your palm near the palm vein reader. Registration successful. Please change the angle of your finger to enter. Please enter the left side of the fingerprint. Please enter the right side of the finger. Duplicated fingerprint area. Please adjust and try again. Please enter the fingerprint center. Please enter the upper side of the fingerprint. Duplicated fingerprint area. Fingerprint area is too small. Duplicated fingerprint area. Please adjust. Fingerprint area is too small. Please adjust it. Please enter the lower side of the fingerprint. Please enter another areas of your fingerprint. Fingerprint area is too small. Please adjust and try again. Registration successful.
I'm gonna need to go and find a stronger magnet. Bullshit. I'm grateful to see at least I have stronger magnets here.
Failed to open or close the door.
And 79% battery. They would have told me that beforehand. Now I am finally getting installing firmware. Oh, shitty. This is installed now. Let's test it.